and welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be creating this beautiful white pearl with silver candle holders. If you'd like to see how we accomplish this look, please continue watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started. here is the finished look. Very pretty. This is great for all white party, anniversary, you know, and so forth. So here it is, guys. I did a second one, and I'm just showing you the different type of candles that I use. This one I use a clear glass small one just to keep the heat off the container itself, and this one is a battery operative candle holder. I think I got this at the dollar store, but you can, you know, check your local discount store. You should be able to find these products there. So right now I'm going to show you, I think I light it. Yes, I did a little bit. I like the one in the glass container. It actually keep the container from getting too hot with the glass inside. So that's another idea, you know, you can use it for. So here they are, guys. Very pretty. I did a little bit of decor at the end. You should see it at the end of this video. So I just wanted to shout out for a comment that I received on YouTube. I do not I'm not a musician, and I do not own any rights for music, so the video editor that I use comes with the music, and that's the music that they have available. If you do not like the music, you can always turn the volume down. I can't talk continuously right through the DIY. That's going to be a little bit too much on me. So I just talk at the beginning and talk at the end. If there's something that I need to let you know, I will. So, you know, thanks for the comment. I really appreciate the comment. But again, I'm doing the best that I can. So here it is, guys, on my fireplace. I did a little bit of decor as usual on my my favorite place, which is a fireplace. So guys, thank you all so much. I really appreciate the comments, and my subscribers, they're growing. Thank you all for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I also noticed that Pinterest, I think it's getting a little, I think I have 1,000 there. So thank you all so much. I will be uploading some of these products on my Etsy shop, so go there and favorite, so when stuff comes, you know, you'll be the first to get it, because as I said, two items which will only be like candles, a set, vases only one, and maybe a different color, different style, but not two exact items are alike. So if there's only one item, it will only be one, not another one, maybe in a different color, but not the exact same thing. So once again, thank you all so much. I hope you have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you in the next DIY video. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.